Hi everybody, this is our cat Riddle. Come over here so people can see you. She's the inspiration for the video. Actually, it's her collar, if you can see her collar, that has the green, orange, and the black in it. So Riddle's collar is the inspiration of the soap. But I'm kind of partial to the cat too. Maybe I'm a little biased, but yeah. She's really special, and her collar is the reason I made this particular soap today with these collars, if you can see it. So anyway, I will see you to make some soap. Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some soap. So you're coming to me from above again because I'm going to be pouring at an angle and I want you to be able to see into the mold. What I'm going to do today is inspired by my cat's collar, the collar she wears around her neck. And that collar is black, orange, and green. So I'm going to be doing 3 tilted layers at varying height or varying angles, hopefully. Black activated charcoal Nurture soap will be the bottom. Orange vibrance from Nurture soap will be the middle. Green vibrance from Nurture soap will be the top. And I'm going to fragrance this with Brambleberry's Succulent. I'm not sure you can see that, it's kind of worn off. I bought this really wanting to do a succulent type soap with the cacti and flowers on the top. It's just not going to happen. And this smells really good, so I just decided we'll go ahead and use it with this. So because I want to have plenty of time to work, let each layer set up without the other setting up, I literally have 3 containers of oil, 3 containers of lye. It's just so much easier to do it that way. So let's get started and make some soap. So we will start with the bottom layer, which will be black. And once again, this is activated charcoal. And since this is just the oils, the lye's not in here yet, I'm going to go ahead and mix this in. So the color is well dispersed. We'll go ahead and add our lye water. And although I want this to set up quickly, I want to be able to pour it. Put about 1/3 of the fragrance in. Give it a quick hit. This supposedly behaves very well, and I want it to set up anyway, so it's okay. Now I know everything is very well blended. It is getting a little thick, so let's pour it quickly into the mold. Very pourable. So I'll let that sit for a few minutes to firm up because I'm going to turn it on the other side and gravity will not be its friend. So I want that really well set up. So I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, so it can withstand the pressure of being tilted the opposite direction and stay in place. So let's work on the orange layer. Once again, just the oil. So I'm going to disperse all the oils, the color into the oils. well dispersed, and I will add our lye solution. Put in our fragrance. Okay, and everything is well blended, and it's just the right consistency. It's pourable, but it's a little thick, semi-thick. And I will leave that to firm up, and I'll be back in a few minutes. And we're back to do our final layer, which will be the green and the green vibrance. So let's get our green in here. Once again, just oils, so I'm going to disperse the colorant into the oils. And let's add our lye solution to turn it into soap. And put in the rest of our fragrance. Uh-oh, hit some air bubbles. Stir those out. A lot of greens, this one included, turned sort of a funky color when the lye hits it. Not the most attractive. It always turns back. Once it's saponified, it always turns back to a very nice green. So we'll carefully pour this, not wanting to break through. And I'm not going to do anything with the top. I'm going to leave it plain. So that's all I have. I'm going to let this sit for just a minute or two to firm up. Get the rest of this soap into a spillover container so it doesn't go to waste. Spray it with some rubbing alcohol. Let it sit a few minutes. Spray it again so we don't have soda ash. And I'll see you tomorrow for the cut. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourselves. Bye. So we're back, and I think we could claim gold cheek. What about you? I like this. Back up a little. Yeah, I'm real pleased with this. Let's just go ahead and cut into it and see what we have. Speaking of which, here comes the cat whose collar inspired this soap. Of course, these are all going to look the same. You know, one thing about this is if you put the two cuts together, you get that, which is kind of neat. But here we go. I'll just cut these real quick because they're all going to look the same. And here we have it, folks. My cat inspired soap. Cat collar inspired. I think she's chasing the camel cricket over here. This is the basement. She's onto something. Bottom line is, she's the one who inspired this, her collar. And I'm pretty doggone happy with it. So folks, stay safe, take care of yourselves, and I should see you this weekend. Thanks for watching. Bye.